In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add service in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a service item so you can invoice faster, keep your books organized, and get accurate reports. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign into your company. Once you're in your dashboard, look toward the top right corner for the small gear icon. This is your settings hub. Click the gear icon to open the menu. From that menu, select Products and Services. This page is your master list of everything you sell, both physical products and services. Adding your services here means they'll be ready to drop into invoices, estimates, and sales receipts with the right price, description, and accounting behind the scenes. Next, click the New button. You'll see a few item types. Choose Service. This is the right option for anything you provide that isn't a physical item, like consulting, installation, design, or maintenance. Now fill in the service details carefully. Start with a clear, customer-friendly name. If you use internal codes for tracking, you can add them in the SKU field, but that's optional. If you organize your list, pick a category to keep related services grouped together. Add a concise description that explains what the service includes. This description can flow onto invoices automatically, saving time and helping clients understand exactly what they're paying for. Next, enter your sales price or hourly rate. If your pricing varies, you can leave the price blank and set it on the invoice each time, but having a standard rate here speeds up billing. Choose the income account that should receive the revenue for this service. Most service-based businesses use a services or sales of services income account. Picking the correct account helps your profit and loss report stay accurate and easy to read. If the service is taxable in your location, turn on the tax option so sales tax calculates correctly on invoices. If it's not taxable, for example, certain professional services in some jurisdictions, leave that off. If you also purchase this service from contractors or vendors, you can expand the purchasing section and enter the expense account and cost details for better tracking. Review everything for spelling, pricing, and the right accounts. When you're satisfied, click Save. Your new service now appears in the Products and Services list and is ready to use. The next time you create an invoice or estimate, start typing the service name and QuickBooks will fill in the details automatically. You can always return to the list to edit, make the service inactive, or refine your descriptions as your business evolves. That's it. You've added a service in QuickBooks Online quickly and correctly.